In this video I will show you how to edit the host file in Windows using command prompt. Usually when we edit the host file we open the Notepad as administrator and navigate through the file system. But you may find this method little bit faster than the Notepad method. So first we need to open the command prompt as administrator. In Windows you can right click the start button and choose terminal admin. And then we need to navigate to the C Windows System 32 drivers etc directory, and we can do this using the command cd command. And here if we type dir, it will show the files inside this folder, and this is the host file, and we can now open it to edit using the Notepad command like this. And since we opened the command prompt as administrator, this Notepad have the privileges to open the host file. And let's also add the host entry here, and the format is IP address followed by the domain name, for example example.com. and you can also add multiple domain in the same line for one IP address like this. And now let's save this file, and we should not get any permission error.